Hi friends, I'm back with yet another video. In this video, we're going to discuss the second step to improve your spoken English. In the first video, we covered the topic 3 thumb rules to know before you start your journey to learn English. And in the next video, we talked about the first step each and every beginner should take to improve his or her spoken English. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, please go ahead and watch them first so that you are also on the same page like others. And from now on, please do not miss any video of this series. Before we move further, I would request you to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. It motivates me to work harder on the content. Friends, let me tell you this again. I was born in a small village and my medium of education was in Hindi. My point to tell you this is not to brag about myself, but to inspire you. If I can do this, so can you. It's not a big deal. Have faith in yourself. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Friends, we being from small villages, towns and cities, we have nobody to guide us that what is the right way to learn English. And we try different things to do that. I would like to share an anecdote with you all. When I was in a 10th standard, there was a boy who, like you and me, had a strong desire to speak English. And he started cramming words meaning from an English to Hindi dictionary. He thought by doing this, he will be able to speak fluent and flawless English. But that was a wrong approach. He was making two big mistakes. Let me explain it one by one. Well guys, firstly, have you ever noticed how many words do you use to speak your native language? Not more than 5,000 words. These many words are more than enough. With the knowledge of those many words, you are able to have a conversation with anybody easily. So stressing yourself to learn all the words from a dictionary is a big no-no. In the beginning, your focus should be to hold a conversation using the simple words. Have a bank of a good 5,000 to 6,000 words, and it is sufficient to speak English fluently. In the beginning, do not try to use complicated words when you can say the same thing using the simple, easy words. Brothers and sisters, at no point I am trying to discourage you to get your vocabulary strong. In fact, I would recommend learning 2-3 new words daily, which you think will make your English effective. Only thing I am asking you to avoid is cramming. It will not help in the long run. You will forget what have you learned once you stop memorizing them. Secondly, if you want to buy a dictionary, then it should be an English to English dictionary so that you can end the translation loop. Let me make it simple for you to understand. Suppose you find a new word while watching or reading something and you don't know the meaning of it. So instead of trying to know the meaning of that particular word in your native language, search its meaning in English itself, so that your mind can store the English meaning of it, and it can also start recognizing that particular thing with the English word. Else you will always keep thinking in Hindi or in your native language and would try to translate from your native language to English, and that is a wrong way to learn English. The bonus tip for the day is you don't need to buy any dictionary. As long as you have a good internet speed in your phone, you can search all the words meaning on Google. But you have to remember that you have to search all the words meaning in English itself. That's it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and do let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.